Guys, it's Vickii J back with another video, and today's video is super special because if you haven't noticed by the tippity title of this video, I am teaching you how to make money on Poshmark. Now, I know you guys have seen me on Twitter and on Instagram going crazy telling you guys many facts all about Poshmark, but for those of you who are wondering the big question, what is Poshmark? Stay tuned because this video is sponsored today by Poshmark. Poshmark is a free app where you can feel free to list all of your something old and something new items so that they can be something new to all of those who follow you. Now, not only is the Poshmark app free, all you need is an email or social media to sign up. But the best part about this is when you refer a friend, you and your referee get money towards Poshmark. And I'm going to help you make it even simpler. All you have to do is scroll below this video, then follow the code to Poshmark or to sign up. Now that you're ready to move on and get your listing started, I'm first going to give you tip number 1. When choosing your items, think about the customer and the target audience that you are trying to reach. If it's not something that you would want to purchase out of a store, don't sell it on your Poshmark. When you are listing your item on Poshmark, you want to make sure that none of your items have holes, rips, or tears. If they do, you absolutely have to include it into the description box so that your customers do not feel that they've paid more than they should have. Now that you've created your listing and you've taken the perfect photos and chosen the best cover photo, it's time for your description.
Your description should include the size, color, or pattern, the price, and any wear and tear.
Sharing your items plays a huge part in making a sale. If you don't share your items, chances are many people won't see your item, so it most likely won't sell. Remember, the more you share, the more you sell. Now, I found that sharing before, during, and after a Posh party definitely increases my sales, my likes, my shares, and of course my all-around Posh experience. So, you've just made your first Poshmark sale, and it's now time to ship. So chances are, if you've ever ordered anything offline, the first thing that you look at is the packaging of your item. That applies here at Poshmark too. So my packaging is simply a pink and white bag here, and the bag says thank you. Then when you fold it on the other side, it has these pretty little stickies here in which you can peel them off, and then the tab will fold down like this. The specific box that I used is the priority mail box, and it looks like this. It is the longer version, and when it is opened, it looks like this. And your item is finally packed, but you need your shipping label. So when you first make your sale, Poshmark automatically sends you into your email address your shipping label. All you simply have to do is print it out and paste it onto your box. So I hope that this video was as informative as possible and that you are ready to use your 5 tips to earn money on Poshmark. Be sure to scroll down below right under this video and click the link so that you can start your Poshmark journey and we can become Posh fam.